I think Jamaican men are so awesome, so great, so smart, so funny, and many of them seems to be charismatic that anyone choosing to date one has clearly gotten a steal on the dating market. But also many people, including myself, has come to realize that there is a deep fetishization going on when it comes on to dating Jamaican men. These are some of the things I often hear coming out of people's mouth when they say that they fell in love, like or want to date a Jamaican man. I've often hear foreign women stereotyping that Jamaican men are particularly well endowed, and will give massive satisfaction. Other cases, Jamaican men's sexuality is fetishized for white audiences. They represent a fantasy of exotic, hypersexual, and sexually gifted men. But while the stereotypes could appear positive because they're presented as desirable sexual partners, the flip side is that Jamaican men are thus also often presented as more powerfully wild and sexually powered than other races of men, a stereotype that has been used against them time and time again. So the fantasy is they are only interested in them because of these fetishes, and not because of who they are, an exotic sexual fantasy. The women play up to a stereotype that they find exotic men attractive. They often live up to the stereotype that equates Jamaican men as an exotic fantasy. And if they don't live up to these viral fetishes, they are teased and gaslight. Jamaican men are more than just men who are objectified for being strong, emblematic, desirable objects during the times of slavery. They are fathers, sons, husbands, and brothers.